Hi, first grade. I am going to do a tutorial on the story problem portion of the week 3 math packet. So we did some problems like this already, so you should already be familiar with the concept. I'm going to pick 3 of the math stories that I would like to use. And then there are 3 of these pages, these math mats, where you will build it with objects. I have some cubes with me today. You can use any objects you have around the house. Then I will draw it using some kind of symbol that I'll draw with my pencil. And then I will actually write the equation that we are building in the story. Now, the tricky part for these this week is we are going to be using some unknown numbers at the start of our equations. And I'm going to give you some examples of how you can represent that. So, I'm going to start with the story. When we're reading the story, just like last time, we are going to read through the story and we are going to try to build it or represent it as we're reading it. And I always encourage everyone to circle the numbers as we read them. But you're going to see that we're going to use a word today to represent one of the numbers. So it starts with, there were some mice in the barn. So in that first sentence, do you see or hear a number yet? We know there's some mice, but we've got the word some. We don't know what number that's going to be yet. So I tell the students, put a box around that. That's going to be a number. We just don't know what number that is yet. So on the build it, I can't build it yet. I don't know what number it is. Draw it, I can't draw it yet. I don't know what it is. But down here on the equation, you could draw a box just like you did in the story. That's our unknown number, and we're eventually going to put a number in that box when we discover what it is. Okay, there were some mice in the barn. The cat caught 4 of them, but there were still 12 left. So I'm going to go back here. The cat caught 4 of them. Well, I can build 4. So here's 4 cubes representing my 4 mice that the cat caught. And then down here, I'm going to draw just some circles to represent the 4 mice that the cat caught. And if it's helpful to you, you can draw the cat. But I'm not going to spend a lot of time on my picture. I could do a stick figure cat. And a tail. And the cat's head. And the cat isn't really part of my math, but we know the cat is here catching these 4 mice. So then if I'm thinking about that, the cat catching the mice, I have to decide, is the cat bringing 2 groups of mice together, adding, or did the cat take some mice away from a bigger group? So if the cat caught 4 of them, I'm guessing that cat caught 4 and there's a whole bunch more that the cat took those 4 mice away from. So that tells me that this is a subtraction. I'm going to put a minus sign there. So we have a big group, some mice. We don't know how many are in that big group, but we're taking away 4 of them, or I should say the cat took away 4 of them. So down here on my equation, we have some large group of mice minus the 4 that the cat caught. So then there were 12 left. So here's the 4 that the mouse caught. Over here I'm going to build 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 11, 12. Here's the lucky 12 that did not get caught by the cat. Okay, so a group of 4, group of 12. Group of 4, and here's my 12 mice. I'm going to draw circles. The 12 lucky mice that were left that the cat did not catch. So down here, there was some big group of mice. 4 of them were caught by the cat. And now I can put equals, and that means there were 12 left, 12 lucky mice. that didn't get caught by the cat. But now I need to figure out, so what was our big, large, whole number of mice that we started with before the cat came? So what I can do is add all of these objects together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to go down in my picture and make sure that I have 16 circles as well that are representing the mice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it looks like our missing number, our missing unknown number at the start of this equation is 16. So our full equation is 16 minus 4 equals 12. So you are going to see other patterns just like that, where you have that missing number at the beginning in the remainder of these stories. I hope that was helpful to you, and if you have any more questions, you can ask your teacher.